fishing in Harwich on Long Pond, 1997. Vacation, 2-week vacation. First day, rain. Forecast for the rest of the week, rain. Hard to fish in a paddle boat.
All right.
There's Andy and Jen and Bob. You going sailing?
No.
You told us we couldn't.
We're going to go out, but I'm not going to take the time to do that. We're ready to go out. So I don't want to do it now.
No, we have to do that. Someone wants
Here she is. Fun and frolic at. Here's Uncle Don, Auntie Carol,
Lots of fun.
Oh, good.
setting up their bed for tonight. Here we go. This is where the cherubs are.
Why, what was going down?
And here's Buffy.
Here's Fluffy.
Yes. And she's running around. We've already played tennis twice, jogged every day. What else is in the store for today?
So much fun.
Hard to stop, isn't it?
Want to see where I went?
Oh, you
Say
took
yes,
a walk?
man. Say yes. Nobody's listened to her so far.
Oh, you did?
Power walk. No, it's that dog. But I
These are the non-dog loving people right here
I have
now.
a place for you to walk your dog, Jenny, because it's out in the traffic. Go out here.
Andy and Matt out in the paddle boat. How about a wave? Ignoring me. Here's Jean and Bob. Someplace. I can't find. Jean and Bob sitting on the deck. Guys, want to give us a wave?
Oh, sure.
And here they come. A race to the finish. Looks like such fun.
I'm jumping in.
They're jumping in. minutes coming up. I guess it's lunchtime. The lunchtime crew. It's the lunchtime.
Well, that's what I'm coming for.
I'll go get the bread.
Matt will get the turkey. And Andy will go pick the tomatoes. All right, here they are. We're at the beach and we're getting ready for the fishing expedition.
Dad, wait. Wait, don't. You have to go through this thing. Don't you have to go on that? That one really, it's not. Alright, when I pull it up through here, what I want you to do is wind that up. And get it all the way through. That's what I wanted to do.
Alright, wind it up.
Hold the line out in front of you. Like this. Yeah, put your hand. Oh. That's all. Here, put that. Get that lure close. I mean, we might need a bigger one.
A bigger one.
Lure. I think I can go down there. You can go any place. That's ours. Yeah. What do you think it would be easier? There's still trees. That's the problem. You gotta watch which way you're gonna.
Can you throw it from the left side? Were there people fishing on the bridge?
We didn't. It was so crowded. We didn't go there. Right in the way. Yeah. You watch that. Oh, we need a heavier one. Yeah. That's what I think. That's why he said heavier.
Well, you know that. Okay, here we go.
Yes.
All right, tell me the story, Jonathan.
Alright, well.
Wait, quiet in the peanut gallery.
Yes,
We
okay.
pulled in a couple.
Yeah?
Matt, I think, had the most keepers.
How many did you get, Matt?
7 or 8
I
keepers.
caught 12 and I kept 7 or 8.
Good, all right, John?
Andy was at the other end of the spectrum.
He caught one like
one.
4-inch fish.
He had one. I kept giving him the line that had the fish on it.
Our group was the only one.
We all traded our poles with them.
Number one. We would.
All right.
Matt was giving him 2 poles at the same time.
What was our bag number?
One.
All right.
Number one.
Tell
And everybody's just.
Going out of the parking lot, the woman says, "Number one." She was pointing at us, wasn't she, Jean?
That
Coming out of
was
the
it.
parking lot.
Yep. The
No,
three
but
girls
you're
from.
Okay, John.
No, the three
The
girls
most
from.
fish that they've got this
New
year
York,
as a
they
group, 22.
This is the most fish you've ever caught. This is the most fish you've ever got in a lifetime.
Oh yeah.
Combined.
On this boat this summer.
Hey, Don Wood, come
On the
here.
boat this summer. This is the most that any
Most
group ever
any
caught.
group ever has caught.
probably threw 25.
This summer?
So the group of 15 is.
And there was another group of 15 who only caught 21.
Whoa. Now tell me about the lobsters. That's the important part. I should have Jen.
Yeah, we got some
So-
lobsters.
We got in, we pulled in, and
Who bought
Uncle
this?
Bob jumped off the boat before they set up the stairs.
Yelled at.
And got yelled at by a kid that was probably, what, 13?
10 to 12. Yeah, but this guy had lobsters next door, and I wasn't gonna miss those.
Went over ate.
All right, so Bob, tell me about them.
When we saw them coming out, the boat was coming in and pulling the lobster pot, so.
How much were they, Bob?
$4.50 a pound.
That's better, right? That's and that was a
Right
deal.
out of the dock.
Now, for anybody that would like to know, I'm Betty Cody, and I take all the pictures.
And I stay home.
And I read on the dock, which was wonderful. All right, where's Jen? Okay. Now, let me hear this again.
Andrew Wood had the biggest one, but I saw it come up to the top. He said he didn't see it, but I saw it. What's up to the top? It looks like a fluke.
Sure. How big was it, Andrew?
A fluke.
I don't know, I can't
It's
really
supposed
tell
to be
you.
better eating fish than these that we were catching,
Ah.
but you know, it was so strong it just snapped the hook in two pieces.
I was playing for a while, man. She wasn't
Oh, he was getting, it was swarming,
He had the
going
baseball
around
bat
like
ready.
this so much that it was taking lines, like 3 people's down, line getting all tangled up, and they were all wrapping around. It's a big, that's why he didn't catch that many fish, because half the time he had to spend undoing the lines.
Sounds like he's the older brother taking care of the younger brother to me right now.
good enough over 10.
All right.
Over 6.
It's a
Jen,
very little store, though. It's not going to have much.
how much did you catch?
Come on, let's go down.
Everybody else told me some nice stories, Jen.
I don't have any stories.
Okay, John, finish the story you're going to tell me about the Andy and the fish. I'll have a tape of John. He's the only good-natured child in this house.
One good name.
Andy, you want to tell him?
Come here, Andrew.
Andy was the one involved in it.
Okay.
What are you looking for?
I just sort of saw it secondhand.
All right.
Surprise.
Okay.
See, what had happened is this little girl, she pulled up I don't know, it was a pretty big flounder, and she didn't want to touch it because it was too slimy for her. So she wanted her dad to pull it up, and her dad pulled it around and hit me in the face.
So how big was the flounder, Jen? That big. Whoa. Did it knock you out, Andrew? 5
He was
stitches?
down for a while. That's the other reason why he didn't catch anything. I was knocked out at between untying all the strings that were all tied up and being knocked out by a fish. He didn't have much time to get up and do much.
lemon butter dills.
Okay.
Yum, 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 yum. We did it finally, fishing. Oh, she is.
Aluminum foil, Bob. Then we
This
don't
is
need
for
to wash
Arthur.
anything.
This is for Grandpa Cody. This is for all those fishermen that never caught anything in their whole life. This is dedicated to those people. And we're one of them. 15 pounds of flounder to be enjoyed.
$6.99 a pound.
Dawn,
$6.99 a pound.
could you come in here?
That's Don Wood over here,
The silent
one of the
partner.
founding fathers of this expedition.
Okay, tell me, $6.99 a pound?
$6.99 a pound.
And how much did it cost you to fish?
Well, I think we lost money on this.
We broke the record.
All right,
Try it.
we're here now after the big cook.
No, I took half. and put it in my-
we're here now after we...
Peter DeRosa flew in from Denver for this,
Just for the fish.
just for the fish. Granny,
Friends out and gone.
Papa. All right, John, tell Papa about this story now.
I don't have any more stories.
No more stories, just playing the tape.
Please, he bent to Peter's ear all the way. Come on.
That's what he
up
said,
my
he was
story.
But
tired.
I didn't hear the fish.
Yeah, but you want to hear the fish stories, John.
Jonathan, we're all here now, so if you tell it one more time.
Just,
Plug that into the TV.
And you see it.
yeah, we can,
The
actually.
next time somebody asks you, then you can say, just turn on the TV.
I don't know what stories I was telling.
All right, Andrew and John, you can tell Andrew's story.
Which
How
one?
many fish you caught and how many fish Andrew caught to Papa?
Did it cook?
Ian caught about
Did it cook too?
this much.
I fished it this morning.
I caught that much.
See, Dad, you missed the all-time The all-time fish story. How many pounds did you catch altogether?
Good, I thought there were kids in here when I came in because I never catch
Did you see the bag?
What's her name?
Did you see the bag in the fridge?
No,
Well, it's all gone. It's all frozen already.
it's already up.
We're fast here. You gotta be fast.
Make it, why don't you
Those
cook it?
same
That's what they're eating.
No, but I mean, maybe you shouldn't have bought.
You say some of that fish, the fish off the pier here.
Oh, good.
Wait a minute, what?
Lobster's $4.50 a pound.
I heard.
Fresh, out of the cage thingy, what do you call it?
Who can tell there's a fish out there? Save some of the things we can fish off the pier here.
Oh,
You have
some
any
fresh
left over?
fish? Yeah.
Betty, no more fish?
Not the
I
fish.
want Jen for just a
Nothing in
taste.
here is gonna eat that, will it?
Huh?
Did you taste it, Jen?
Taste it, she'll eat it, and she'll want more.
Jen, what do you say?
You'll have to cook.
Fish in here would...
You look a little
I
better.
don't eat anything.
Jen, where's your head then?
I think.
We had
have
some,
a
we had
horn.
some sea worms that we were gonna keep.
Huh?
We had a couple extra sea worms. for
Sea worms are good, right?
We forgot them on the
Kids
boat.
grow any since you
Oh, I
lost
should
all
have taken them in.
Yeah, there were only a couple left. We just forgot them.
He was home at Christmas, though.
Would you buy them
Jen,
there on the boat?
is it
Or the
Jen?
boat?
Yeah, they sold them right on the boat.
So you had to buy your own up to 20. We're trying to digest that story. I didn't believe it. For the first time I heard we caught fish anytime.
Yeah.
We've been up there so many times.
Matt caught the most.
Oh,
He caught 12. John caught, how many, John?
I only had like 5 keepers, but I probably was up there.
he is up there.
What's the difference between a keeper and a non-keeper? I
Well,
mean,
I was
I
catching a lot.
understand you don't keep them, but
I was
why?
catching a lot of sea purse.
If they're big enough
Perch.
or not.
Yeah, he caught about half sea perch, half
So you can't keep sea perch?
I actually caught like a 2-pound sea perch.
A what?
About 1.5, 2 pounds. But it's just, it's a bonus
That's not
fish.
alcoholic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you remind me of Bonnie Margie.
Perch is good eating.
that's
Perch is good eating.
not
I like
but it
perch.
doesn't, it's
Well,
not
the reason
sweet.
I'm drinking is because it's nice and cold. Even the glass, I can't even hold it.
Did you have some fish, Mark?
Yes,
Good.
very good.
So which birthday are we celebrating, Victoria?
75th.
75th?
39.
Come on,
1997?
don't push it. I mean, I was giving you a break here, you
The
know?
big 8-3.
You say 38 and then reverse it.
Yeah.
Well, now we have cakes. Do we get to have a cake
Now
now?
we have pancakes.
We have 2 months. We could have a cake for every hour of the day today.
I brought a cake down, Betty brought a cake, Carol brought it.
I'll take your cake.
Thank you.
Yeah, they all want the Italian cake. Should we have that now?
Me when you were sitting there worried about the fact that maybe nobody got one, that probably everybody else got one.
You did think of that,
I
Peter?
just, it was strange to me to think that maybe you wouldn't have, you know. I thought that would have occurred.
Yeah, but
to
ours is an Italian.
There you are,
Some-
Jen. There you are, Jen.
All
All right.
Yeah.
Just a little piece.
It's not mine.
I'd like you just to take a taste of a tiny piece.
There you go, Jen.
Tell her. Just
Tiny
take it
Clear a
piece.
section on my plate.
and see how nice it tastes.
Oh, get the camera on.
I got her.
I'm not gonna eat it with
Really good.
Just a tiny piece. We got that bread that'll mask anything.
Okay.
The bread, put it in the bread.
You should taste it.
Everybody has to have a tiny piece. Andrew, what do you think?
In my house and everybody, you'd have to eat one
good.
and put it on the...
Good?
You put it in the bread?
That's a,
What do you think, Jen?
Got hot today.
It doesn't taste like fish, does it?
Matt, let me give Arthur some.
Did you like it, Jen?
That's all right.
You got to fight Arthur for it right now. The spicy ones that got the red on them.
If he wants to put on the...
Matt, will you just take a
leg,
taste? You have to eat
I'm gonna
it.
eat
It's a
one.
taste.
Ian,
You might like it, that's why I'm saying.
very good. You won't get that again.
It's not like no one's gonna eat it.
Dad, what I want to know is, how come you have the license and they caught all the fish?
I wasn't there.
Did you bring your license back?
Yeah. Look at that, that's a big one over
Give some to
here.
Victoria. Peter. That's some.
Oh, it's like some of your fish there.
Did you have some,
I'm
Matt?
not hungry.
Just take a bite. Just have to take a bite.
They went last, did
Give it
John
to her,
tell you
there's
they went
one.
last night surf casting?
I think it worked that way. It's just her who does that job.
It's good for...
Yeah, that's what we normally do.
Have some.
I've resigned myself to a lot of things in
Cuts in the
life.
ground, then you can go with that.
Actually, it was on the cast.
So
Mine was on the cast.
Allergic reaction?
I didn't eat fish.
Dizzy?
It just,
Superman?
all of a sudden just
Not that
snapped.
bad.
I think it
It
was,
doesn't get
it was
better.
going and then I think the line just got caught up.
Carol.
Just,
Did you have some?
Yeah, but someone goes, had to be pretty old for me. Middle of the
We have
line was
Paula
well.
brought an
we
Italian
just-
one.
we
You
just-
could have one and then the
Redo
other
the
one.
line, sorry. I think it just got tangled up and
Mom,
it stopped it quick.
They'd all
I think
eat it,
just shot off.
Minor, I guess, but that doesn't mean you're not supposed to do that. When you put the thing, you put the lock and catch it's supposed to hold.
Yeah.
Maybe you got enough defect of
You know,
mine
we
or
came
something.
back from the wedding. It was 11:30 when we got back. Would you
Where you
believe
go
they sat
casting,
down
down
and
here
ate again?
someplace?
Yeah, but he probably hadn't eaten since 8.
Where you go casting?
Down
When are we gonna have that
at the
cake?
Lighthouse Beach.
Right here?
Go get it.
And,
Bring it out and we'll
no, we
sing.
didn't come out of here.
No.
You wouldn't believe it.
You want more lasagna?
We need more food.
I had a little before. I had like a half.
Did you have lasagna?
Betty,
No, well,
they ain't
no.
sick the way you
But I
like
had
it.
so much
But
food.
there's
They had
no place to go in for packing yet, right?
Yeah.
You can't get it better than this, I don't care
I
where.
don't want to introduce him.
Yeah, but they were also 19 when they died. We don't very rarely hear about cats.
Couldn't stand on the legs anymore.
But aren't these the cats that Carol was gonna take and then she didn't take?
Mhm.
Yeah, okay. So whose cats were they? Paula's?
They were from
They're Kelsey sisters. One is a tiger and the other one's got long hair. Black.
the little son.
Here's everybody. Happy birthday
To you.
Red guy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Granny.
Kinda got shifted.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, boy.
Happy birthday.
Remember
And Buffy gets the first piece.
That's, well, we were gonna do it later, but Matt couldn't wait for the cake. He needed it.
No, I couldn't wait. I wanted to be like, what?
Who said are we having the cake now?
We'll have
I
one
did,
cake
but,
now,
like,
another
if we
cake
did it-
tonight. Cake's all over the place.
Yeah, we all bought a cake. We have a lot of cakes here.
Give it to
I didn't
Carol.
buy a
I'll
cake.
Put the knife in like Carol.
I'll eat the cake.
Forks.
Jen,
We need a knife.
how about you, Carol? Take that off.
I'm drinking my water.
No, I'll get it. It kinda got lost.
So she doesn't get dehydrated. The water girl.
Paula?
Little
What
commercial.
intersection
I
was
thought
this
they
at?
grew up and they were nice to us.
Was it hitting the brakes or accelerating?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I couldn't
right.
fit it in my pool, so I had to put it in the back covered with ice.
Right there.
But
So I think it's lucky it made it at all, to be honest.
did you?
Okay, now we
Wait a
can.
minute, I gotta get a spatula.
I'm not allowed to drive around here till I've been back for at least a week.
That's too big.
Not bad.
That's for Peter.
You find the difference in driving in up there, it's wide open, isn't it?
Yeah, actually the traffic is really bad out there.
Jen, you wanna take this
Not
and
really
make it
get that,
Yeah,
huh?
you got this cardboard. You make cardboard.
No.
Yeah, this
I don't
piece of
think they're
cardboard.
gonna read up there too well, read the rules. Outside, I don't think they read too well. They just go together.
There's too many people moving
Can I
in
tape it in
there.
my seat?
I got it, I got it, I
Transportation
got it.
opportunity up.
So it's a common area then,
Yeah.
Okay, that's your
huh?
picture.
What do they call it? All
Not me.
economic,
You can have
all this new field,
That's a big time.
the people moving in, all the TV, it's all work around.
Are we making this fairly small?
Not too big, honey.
I thought this was pretty small.
I guess I missed it.
The cake?
I want a small piece of it, small, very
Man, what
small.
No, he missed the singing.
Hold this for a second.
You can do a chorus yourself.
Get to the kid.
Here, mine, for birthday.
I think it's not, light isn't very
No,
good
but
in here.
I should be
I
able
want half
Oh, Mom.
piece of
So
it.
how was the wedding?
You can change it.
Beautiful.
Oh.
Except for
No
then you
wall.
I
hear
tell you
them.
about
I don't know if
the,
the Caucasians are dancing like that now, do I have to tell you?
I've never heard anything like it.
I tell you about the time we had your tape on at Granny and Papa's house?
Oh, God, Peter, I take that so many times. I knew it by head. Dennis wears a dress. Dennis wears a dress.
Oh, we'll be sending the CD out in October.
You mean you're not cutting
Peter,
another
I
one?
couldn't hear for 3 days after that. Seriously, I could not
Well,
hear.
That's the way it was with me this
I
morning.
loved it.
Oh,
I
my
couldn't hear, I
God.
couldn't talk.
It was
And
awesome.
my voice was all terrible.
Yeah.
Andy?
It's getting an interesting shape coming
And
along.
another thing I don't
I
like
think I'll just
is
start out on this
kids
side.
dancing with the beer bottles
Jenny,
in
you
their
have a piece of
hands.
this?
Yeah. Don't worry, they didn't get me doing that.
Yeah, but God forbid they slip on the bed with the beer bottles in their hands drinking. They shouldn't have allowed it. I don't
One
care
more.
what.
It's done.
Oh, I'm on. This is me.
Donald,
Hi.
put the party, you want.
Well, because
I'm
we-
taking another picture.
But then, even without the open bar.
Whoa.
the boys
Okay,
would go
Jen,
out
you can shut it.
Yep. Peter, Jen, and Andrew taking off. No life preservers, not a good move here. Hey Peter, keep it kind of close to the shore where there's no life preservers, right?
What?
Try to keep it kind of close because of the no life preservers. Yeah, I know, but that's... Peter, do you need help? Matthew will help you get out.
Peter!
Yeah, go help him. I think it's a little hard. In a coma. Not a good thing. Matthew, get off of there! Matt! No, you can't do that. Matt, you gotta get off! Matt, off! Matt! Matthew! You're gonna get hurt.
Good wind.
The water. I don't think so, Betty. I can't even see them. This thing is so sunny. Where are you guys? I lost you. Here they are. And there's Matt, swimming in. Good old Matt.
I'm gonna change first, Matt.
Carol, get a towel.
I don't need a towel.
It's all wet there. Just pull it.
They can wet that dry up with it.
No,
Like a
that's
basin.
crazy.
What are you doing now? I'm not doing it all
Sit on the boat. Just drive it like that.
You can walk in, Matt.
I ain't ready to go in there. Jesus Christ.
Okay, we'll go sit on the edge there then. We can do it.
Yeah, I'm not dressing. I'm going to dress 5 o'clock. We're going fishing. The time will
Fishing where? In the paddle boat? What do you...
Right there.
On the dock?
Yeah, with a drop off. Not a drop off. In that paddle boat. Okay, come on night. We're doing the other day.
Matthew, go get it. Oh, yeah. Go get it. You come in. Go ahead. Go ahead.
It's going to blow off. Go with the
Matt,
boat.
it's up to your knees.
Sit down. Sit down.
It's up to his knees, Carol.
Hold me to put it in.
You can't jump. You'll break.
Hey, John, pick up Matt. He's a good papa. Pick up Matt over there.
Go get it.
Yeah, go to the boat. Go to the boat. Go over there, get him.
Coast Guard aid.
Get over there!
Coast Guard aid!
I'm going to have to turn this.
See the kids on the sailboat?
So this film, yeah.
Keep going, go.
It's a nice
I
breeze.
asked them to keep it. I said, try not to go off the middle.
Yeah, no, actually, if they go to this side of those buoys, and then the motorboats have to stay in the middle.
You got the thing. You got the thing.
Got it.
You do the bottle out there. Now you okay, you got two drivers. Go ahead. It should be easier. Look at the thing. That's the boat that come here.
What?
You gotta bring that in.
We'll get it, she'll get it.
Well, let them come here. Okay. Come over here. Come back to go that far.
Yeah. He said he was just out last couple weeks ago. And he
And here they are coming back.
It may not be the police boat, Bob. Paula, look at that boat. See if it's the police boat or if it's just another boat. Oh, what's say police right on the side? I
Can
don't
you
think
see it too? I can't see. I can. This is. Is that Andy? Someone's got an orange vest on.
I think Peter's in the boat with the orange vest. I know where he's from. Don't drive a boat with me.
Uh-oh. We're getting a ticket, folks. Bob, go help them. Bob. 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 I can't swim that well, Jen. So what happened? Genzi, what happened? Are you alive? Did you ever think you were going to see shore again? Are you all right?
The guy came over?
So listen, guys, let's hear it. Let's hear it for the camera.
Okay, we were doing really well.
Wait a minute, wait.
We got stuck in irons for like 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Next thing we knew, we were just about a quarter mile down shore, these raging winds coming at us. And we had 3 people. We took on so much water, we were bailing the boat. Couldn't get started again.
We saw you when the boat went over.
Yeah,
totally
it just went over.
Yeah, and then we said, oh God, are
That
they
was
dead?
okay, except the bottom was really slimy. It was hard to get it back over again.
Oh God.
But luckily, I had just gone over at the Boulder Reservoir about 2 weeks ago and saw my roommate pull it back over, so I knew how to do it. So that was good.
We thought you guys were dead out there. Then we
He
thought.
was not a policeman. He just.
Oh,
had
he
a
wasn't?
little- He was on a little power trip, I think.
But that was.
There is a law against not having life preservers. $50 a piece.
Is that what he said?
That's what he said.
He's not the
I thought he was the cop. No.
We saw the cop boat stopped Uncle Don down there.
Oh, because they didn't have
We were
lights?
getting towed already. They were swamped. Half their boat was in the water.
God help us. And here the people are watching the rescue. Everybody watching the rescue. Jen, you made it back to shore? Were you scared? You weren't afraid?
It's kind of funny.
So what happened? You couldn't get it back over though?
No, we got it back over. We just couldn't get the sail up and going.
Oh.
So we were going to paddle.
But you were paddling with your hands.
They did, but it didn't get us very far, but before we knew it.
Is that Don and John now, Carol?
Yeah.
Are they walking it back? Do you think they got, it's a $50 ticket for no life jackets, the kid said.
Oh, they had cushions. Did you lose the cushions?
No, the cushions were in the boat.
Do they not count?
We had got caught up anyway.
Here she comes.
We just got half a couple minutes out of the wind, you know. And, you know, we just couldn't get our sail to catch the wind. And they'd taken us so... That's what we did. We sailed that because we couldn't even move. I think the cockpit was just forward.
You can't tell. You don't know what you're doing at the next part.
He told you you didn't know what you were doing, Jen?
Didn't have any, but you had more fun than you did before.
Now, Peter, wasn't this an exciting homecoming?
I wonder what the cop said.
They're blocking the building.
Yeah, I wonder what the cop said.
But it was no cop, right?
Yeah, the cops talked to them, not us.
Oh.
We got caught in a sailboat. That's
He
forgiving.
goes, if the cops were here,
How did you get caught downwind in the paddle?
if the cops were here, you don't know how much trouble you would.
Wait till John gets here. And here comes Don and John walking it back in.
What is it? What are you going to do?
Stopped by the police. And the two helpers on the dock waiting for them.
I think John is actually laughing. The question is what he's doing.
The guy goes, Mom, he goes, what's on your neck? Did you get hurt in the boat? And I was like, no.
Who was on the, just the kids on? He was just a girl. Well. Okay, John, another story. John is a happy kid.
You were supposed to save us.
Now you're glad you didn't come, right?
What?
Now you're glad you didn't come.
Want to go for a sail, Matt?
I'll go for a sail.
No, I don't think so.
What?
You need life
You need
jackets.
to bring a bail or...
Yeah, we were getting filled with
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, we were trying to switch it out, but it was...
Okay, let me hear the story.
Anybody else want to go for a ride?
So did the police stop you?
And we're bent on telling John to paddle faster. And the water's coming over the edge. And his corner is underwater. The whole boat went straight underwater like this.
I thought it looked pretty bad.
So what did you do? Get it over to the side?
Slam it to the side.
Did the police stop you, John?
No, we were going too fast. We were swimming. They said, no speed. No speed.
what the police said.
They said, you want to stop?
Did you have to have life preservers?
Paddles?
Huh? They didn't say anything about that.
We were almost there, but we couldn't take a left turn up this thing. Only go one direction.
So did you get a ticket for no life jacket?
Just asked if we wanted help.
Why didn't you say yes?
I think we wanted help. We're like,
I said we're walking. We were walking by the time he came over to help us.
Oh,
We're
so
walking.
he couldn't have given you a ticket. You weren't in the boat.
I think we were already out.
8 feet deep or something. I don't know.
So this went under? Did it capture?
This is all filled. I said, John, I think we ought to bail that out. And the waves kept coming over.
All right, fun and frolic on the lake. We're going back to the ocean next week.
So what happened? You couldn't get going the other way? There's no way you could...
We got a lot of water. We were just having trouble getting going.
Yeah, anyway, yeah.
And then once they got it,
Hey, John, help me put it over again. We got to dump the water.
Too small to hold.
Well, we should have called 911.
This is a real live...
that's what Lou said. We said, what do you do? He says, call 911.
You didn't have a cellular with you, did you?
And you have 3 people trying to balance the boat, of course, so unless they're working together.
And everybody was expert on this stuff.
And here they are, the survivors.
Morale was high the whole time, though.
I heard they were laughing as they were drowning.
We were okay.
Okay.
You didn't panic?
Now, what did you learn from this lesson?
Now,
Get him off the boat.
Andy, look at this guy. He got flipped off the last time. They're gonna turn it in. He got flipped off.
What's he on now?
in it too.
Oh.
That's fun.
You did that, remember in
Yeah, the guy couldn't flip me off.
Austria or
He
something?
got pissed off that he couldn't take me off.
Grew up on a lake.
Just don't make my coffee anymore, will you, Paula?
Here they are, ready to take off for the fishing.
What did you do this for? What did you do that for? Why did you get it in? Good job, Pete. You try to take them out, you know? Are you all right? Everything okay?
Instead of saying, well, you didn't drown.
You're not gonna go far.
Oh, go right here. Yes, they gotta be there because they won't catch anything out there. They gotta be inside.
Coming up here.
I see them every Saturday in the morning. They fish right off of the bush over there. About 20 feet off.
Here's the inside crew. Lou and Paula having breakfast.
Hello.
You've got a screen here, you know. But the one good thing about this morning is there's no fruit fly.
Ma? On the camera?
His name is Nicholas, because you were born the day before Christmas. So,
What'd you catch?
I was talking to her. So I said to I don't know.
What did you catch,
I
Bob?
have no idea, Sally, where he lives.
Perch?
I've been asking your mother.
Hold it up.
I sent a card, the old number. It came back.
Perch is
again.
edible, but it's bony.
I gave it to your mother. I don't know what
It's
she ever
very,
did
very
with it.
tasty.
What?
I was living in Boulder, and now I'm moving down into Denver, so they're only about 40 minutes apart, so it's not too far.
Paul and I were noticing
Well,
how the
which
boat
college-
is listed
what,
to the
there's two
left side.
colleges
Well, there's a college in Boulder,
Difference in the
the
weight.
University of Colorado. That's called CU Boulder normally.
Well, they're going to stop at Denver, she says.
Uh-huh.
Who are you talking about?
Well, that
Is
could
that
be.
where the airport is?
The airport's in Denver.
Who are you talking about, Ma?
Sally's son that's going up to the University of Colorado.
That's the in college. A lot of people are going to Colorado, even from Concord. Is that like a nice school? Big school?
Yeah, it's big. There's like 20,000 or something. But
Is it a state college or a regular college?
No, it's public. Yeah.
Like
There's a couple of them. There's
Like Jonathan.
Colorado College is another one. It's much
Yeah.
smaller. It's in Colorado Springs, and that's
Oh, that's the one I think Concord kid's going to Colorado
maybe
College.
yeah. That's
That's
where Robin's friend Jen Abley went.
Oh, that's probably why.
It's much smaller.
it's not a league school. I mean, it's
No.
It's not one of those Ivy
like the
Princeton.
Jonathan school. She was telling me it only cost us $1,300 to send him down there.
Really?
13, was it Betty?
Yeah.
13,000 or 13?
It's a state school.
It's a state
Bob.
school.
What if you tied the boat to the wharf?
Oh, there they are.
They keep drifting in.
And it's hard, that boat, you can't steer it left.
It only
Don't
goes
go
right.
too far with
It
him.
only goes right. Everything is a problem.
He'd fall. That would be it. So he might fall. He's so skinny he'll fall.
No, I think the skinny ones sink. That's my experience.
Now tell us about that, Peter.
I said though he went up 2 pounds.
Yeah.
One hole in the pole.
There you go, for posterity.
One hole in the pole. Here we go.
What is it? You guys were out a long time. A perch.
I got 2. We just got him just now.
So you decided to bring him up.
Yep.
Oh, I don't have that one. Get
You
the other.
wanna
Peter.
get him ready for get the frying pan hot. Let's go.
You having them for lunch?
This is lunch. Everybody gets a bite.
You want to put it in the headline?
Yeah. Everyone. You gonna let the guy go? Or you gonna?
Wait a minute, Carol's getting the regular. New toy. Hey, Paul, look what Peter did. Blew up his raft.
What are you doing with
Use a vacuum. Reverse a vacuum cleaner.
I just did it with
All right, it's time to get bathing suits on.
Perfect. Wrap around that pole.
You gonna eat first? Peter DeRosa? Paula?
Hi.
Matt Cody? Lou?
Lady.
Thank you.
Want better?
What?
Back?
Yeah, it's better. Feels better. Still bothering me, but
You
it
didn't
feels
use
better.
the, he's taking a picture, you taking a picture. You didn't use the vacuum though to blow it up, huh?
I didn't even know he was doing it. What are you doing?
That thing's gonna take on water. Are these supposed to be encouraged like this?
Here's Peter with his... I'm taking Peter.
I can't even balance on this thing when I'm sitting down. Alright, we're not sure about any politics. We're not sure about this thing here, pulling it up. I don't know whether to check. The rope that you pull it up with?
Yeah. Just let it hang.
I think you just use it to pull up the mast, which should be not attached to the back.
Okay, well you just unattach it.
Yeah.
This here pulls the thread as you want.
How old is that boat, Peter?
That's a bathing.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at that. 10 years?
I bought that bathing suit. What's wrong with it?
I like it.
Yeah.
Where are you? Oh my god.
Hey, Paula!
Hey, world. Yeah, Mom, why don't you put like a big sign up there?
Want to give me a ride, Pete?
It's going that way. This way and this way. Go up.
And I'm suggesting up this way.
Yeah, not. Once you get down that way, you gotta work. Practice going that way.
Although that thing should be much easier to pass.
That's Why don't I help you? This is gonna be tray and custom tray.
Cold?
this is going to be a all afternoon thing, I can see.
Good thing you got it for the day.
Someone's got to do the dirty work. Might as well be me.
Stay in front, Bob, then I get all of you.
Someone's got to do the dirty work. It might as well be me. I think I'm going to be the only mobile person out here.
Do it slowly. Now you have to pull it up straight first now. What? What you're gonna want to do is, yeah, you want to
get Papa in the
it's coming out of
everybody out.
perpendicular.
Oh, yeah, but like
And
like
remember,
this?
you're gonna have to stand around the.
You see this thing is made to stick beers in here?
Oh, really?
Yeah, you see that? You got holes in here. You put your drinks in the middle.
I
Yeah,
noticed
your
with the
TV's
paddle
come
boat had a
undone.
couple of string holders.
This is quite relaxed. Okay.
It's definitely a nice part of the lake. You can't really relax like this in the ocean too much.
No, you just gotta survive.
Yeah. Keep your eyes shut.
Peter and Bob enjoying. I got Peter and Bob. I have almost no battery, so.
You may want to conserve it.
You got time to recharge.
There he goes. He's up.
You had it, Matt. You had it. You don't lose it, don't lose it.
He's down.
The thing was going to the other side, though.
Yeah, you gotta have one foot on each side of the raft.
Coached by Bob and Peter. It's up.
I don't exactly remember how you steer it. I think it has to do with where you put the sail, I suppose, because there's nothing else you can do. Where you grab the sail. At least I'm out. Yeah, just have fun, you're never going back. Pick you up at the other end of the lake. Like 2 o'clock. I'll come back at 2 o'clock.
There he goes. Good balance, Matt. As they float down the river. Hey, a little duck. Is he dead? Nope, he's up. He capsized it. Where is he? I'm laughing too hard. Both who's helped him all the way to